Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 29 says, choose the interpretation of this given sentence. And the given sentence here says, the manager hit the roof when he was presented with the estimate for the new project. The manager hit the roof when he was presented with the estimate for the new project. This means that the manager was dash. This means that the manager was dash A. Mobilized the workers. B. Became very angry. C. Became very suspicious. D. Cancelled the project. Now, the concern here is hit the roof. Hit the roof. To hit the roof idiomatically simply means to be angry. So when somebody hits the roof, then it means that the person is angry. When somebody tells you what you don't want to hear and you are annoyed or provoked by the person's remark or statement, and you are provoked, stop. So by the time you you are eating the roof. So it means that you are angry or you are not happy over the matter at hand. So that is the implication. So by this analysis, option B is correct, which simply means that the manager hit the roof when he was presented with the estimate for the new project. This means that the manager became very angry when the estimate for the new project was presented to him. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.